Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to allow everyone to see your last seen and online status on Telegram web using your computer. If you've updated your Telegram recently, you might have noticed a few layout changes, but no worries. This quick guide will help you get it done in just a few clicks. First, open Telegram web in your browser. Once you're logged in, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From there, scroll down a bit until you find Settings. Select it, and a new list of options will appear. Next, click on Privacy and Security. This is the section where you can control who can see your personal details, such as your phone number, profile picture, and of course, your online status. Now, under the Privacy settings, find and select Last Seen and Online. This is the option that determines who can view when you were last active on Telegram or when you're currently online. By default, Telegram might have that set to My Contacts or Nobody, depending on your previous privacy choices. To make your last seen visible to everyone, choose Everybody. Once you select that option, your changes will be saved automatically. That means from now on, anyone, whether they're on your contact list or not, will be able to see your last seen time and check when you're online on Telegram web.